If you have felt the frustration of trying to upload your images to Squarespace and them taking up the full width of your page, completely distracting from your core message, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can resize your images in Squarespace and how you can use the spacer content block to help place them and fit them into the natural flow of the web page rather than having little clumps of text and these huge wide images that don't always make the most sense. So that's what we're going to do today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chloe. I'm your digital marketing sidekick here to help you publish, teach and sell online. So if that's something that you're into, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can be notified next time I post a video. So I'm just going to expand this post so we can get a better view. And if we click the teardrop icon to bring up our content blocks, there's two that we're going to use in this tutorial. The first is the spacer and the second is the image block. So we're going to click on image and we're going to upload your image, or you can search for an image either on Unsplash or for a previously uploaded image, one that you've uploaded already to Squarespace. This is a relatively new feature but very helpful indeed. Now your image is uploaded, and as you see, it takes up the full width of the page, which is not always ideal. I'm going to show you how to fix that in a second. However, if you want to change the dimensions of the image itself, you click on Image Editor and you click this little crop icon up in the top right hand corner. You'll see there's a number of standard dimensions, but you can also customize it if you wish. I'm going to make it into a square. And now hit save. As you see, even making my image a square, it's still taking up the full width of the page. So click apply. This is where spacers come in. So I'm going to click the teardrop, add a space, and then all I'm going to do is drag it to where I want there to be a little space between my image. So as you can see, I chose to put the image to the right, but I could easily move it over to the left. Again, if you want it into the center, you would add another spacer. So just click the spacer icon again and pull it over. And you can adjust these with the line that goes between the space and the image. You'll see as you hover over, there's a line that appears, and you can just do that to adjust how you want it to look. Now, if you want multiple images sitting next to each other, we're going to use the spacer bar. At least I use the spacer bar just to navigate it out. It's a little bit easier than adding the images, because pulling in big images side by side are a little bit more tricky. But you can do that if you wish. So I've got my 3 spacers and I want to add 3 images. So image, upload, apply. Add my second image. Now you'll see this middle image is not the same dimensions, so I can either go on edit and go back into the image editor to change that, or I can just use this little drop word icon and I can pull it up to meet the same size as the other 2, just like that. And now I have 3 images in a row. I would encourage you to be really creative with this and use this feature to come up with something a bit unique and different for your site. For example, you can use these spacers to create a little bit of hierarchy and make it a little bit different from just the plain old straight row of images. You could also add in a call to action here. Say you had it on your home page. We could add some text, services. We'll change that to a header. I would encourage you to be really creative with this and use this feature to come up with something a bit unique and different for your site. For example, you can use these spacers to create a little bit of hierarchy and make it a little bit different from just the plain old straight row of images. You could also add in a call to action here. Say you had it on your home page. We could add some text, services. We'll change that to a header. Add some text. I'll just add Laura Mipsum just now, and a button for call to action. Just left align it for the aesthetic, and there we go. So there's really endless opportunities that you have here to use this feature, not just to resize your images, but to create a website that is visually pleasing and a little bit different from the typical templates that you just see and plug your text and images into. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know if it's helpful for you by giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below. And if you are enjoying these tutorials and would like more, be sure to hit subscribe and click the little bell icon so that you can be notified next time I post a video. Have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you soon with another video.